This is it. After ilang months of waiting, finally, joining na ulit sa barko. Alam mo yung feeling na excited ka, pero at the same time kinakabahan ka rin. Pero wala eh. Yan talaga yung buhay ng mga marino. Dapat laging handa.
Prepare na lahat. At ang gamit, documents, medicines, uniform, wine, all goods. So let's go. It's joining day.
Every seafarer know this part. The long trip, airport hassle, and checking of documents. Pero okay lang, kasi parang adventure na rin.
We're currently at the airport waiting for our flight. And sana smooth lang yung flight namin and no delays.
Habang nasa flight kami ay wala kaming ibang ginawa, kundi ang mag-cellphone, kumain, hindi kaya manood ng movie habang matutulog. Japan ang joining port namin, pero connecting flight namin ay sa Hong Kong. Kaya bawal patulog-tulog sa pansitan dahil dadaan pa kami ng immigration. Four hours nga pala ang layover namin. At dahil madaling araw na at inaantok na ang lahat. Kaya ang tropa ay kanya-kanya na rin ang hanap ng pwesto para makapagpahinga.
Hey, touchdown! Japan! Let's go! Let's go!
7 hours nga daw pala ang biyahe namin galing Fukuoka Airport dun sa kay Minato Port. Kaya ramdam din namin ang agent na medyo nagmamadali talaga. Kasi nga medyo late na daw kami nakalabas ng airport. Kaya nang nakalis na ramdam talaga namin yung bilis ng patakbo ng agent. Wala na kaming magawa kundi enjoy ng magandang scenery ng Japan.
Quiet music, lost on the freeway. This must be LA. Tired and lonely, with no real place to stay. Is this the future? And where I'm gonna be? Last night you met when I had this crazy dream. I'm waking up in your house on a San Francisco street. We tuned out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me. You were intriguing, just looking at a magazine. Like when I
Buong akala namin ay tuloy-tuloy na talaga ang biyahe namin papuntang port. Gutom na ang lahat dahil hindi pa kami nakapagtanghalian. Buti na lang kuminto ang agent para kakain.
Okay, everybody. Quick dinner.
There's no way that I could have known.
Kala ko tuloy-tuloy na yun eh.
On a San Francisco street, we tuned out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me.
Di ba tibahin dyan? Ha?
Your house on a San Francisco street, we tuned out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me. Oh.
Sarap pa.
Yeah. Waking up in your house on a San Francisco street. We tuned out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me. Waking up.
Yun na nga, after 7 hours biyahe galing airport, finally, nandito na kami sa port. That's the first glimpse of our vessel. Smell of the sea, sight of the ship. Nakakamiss.